Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable sign-in options page in settings in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Policy Manager. Click and expand Default. Click and expand Settings. Click and expand Allow sign-in options. Open value. Change value data to 0. Close and exit registry editor. Click Start, Settings. Click Accounts, Sign-in option. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.